To design this children fascinator. It's artificial cap. I'm going to design the three. The first one I'm going to do is this black, which I'm going to use pre-test paper mats to design it. I'm going to make a bow. The length is 4, while the breadth is 3. The first thing you are going to do is to take your wool gum by the side of your pre-test paper mat like this. I'm going to make 4 of this bow. Fold the side like this. Fold it, then fold the other side. After folding the two sides, you fold it into 2 like this. Then you take your needle and thread. You run the stitches from here to the end. You draw it. Then you run it back again. Run the stitches back again. See it. Then you tack it. You tack it at the edge here. To get this style, when I do it like this, to get this style, just fold it like this, then join it together and say it as many as you want. Then use your needle and thread to tack it together. And I've done my own. This is it. I'm going to tack it to the cap. You can use your wax candle to do it, and you can use your needle and thread to tack it. And after you have tacked this one, you can join your 4 bows together. And after you have joined it like this, take your cap, join it to the cap, then tack it with the bow. That's it. Now to block this center, you can still use your pipe stripe to block it at once. Cover the center. Place it at the center, then join it together. And see it. If you have feather, you can use it. You can put feather on it. If you have stones, you can put your stone on it, then put your Alice band at the back here. This is the fascinator for children. Please like it, share it, and subscribe. Thank you.